Today I'm putting the roof back on the 4610, but before I do that I want to make sure that the radiator core is sealed, because I think before I had the tractor there are taps on the block which you can shut off the heater, and they were shut off because Dad remembers that there was a leak coming from the roof to do with the coolant. So all this section was shut off and never really investigated. So thinking it might be the core, I think it might be the heater tap here, because that is so badly corroded, it's unreal. That you could almost move that like putty in your hands. But the plan is, I've got this hose rigged up to the tank that we fill up the sprayer with, so it's all fresh rainwater. Flush it through the heater core until we start getting some cleaner water out of the outlet. Then I'm going to clamp it down and sort of hold the pressure in there and sort of see if we do have a leak. So we'll do that now. Oh God, that's brown. That is really brown. It's already coming through a little bit cleaner, as you see. Wait for that to get a little bit better and then I'll tap it off. Can't see if we've got any drips through the core yet. We shall see. While I'm at it, I really need to fiddle with the wiring for the fans. I've never had. I can't remember. I don't think they've ever worked. Might have done, I can't remember. I'll have to check back in the previous video maybe. That's coming through lovely clean now. I've barely got the tap turned and that is just kicking out such a pressure. Or I might be in luck, that might just be that tap that's faulty. I've got a new tap somewhere in the shed. You can fit that.
Oh, So I've just off camera put the battery back on. The battery is a little bit flat, but it should be enough to work out if just changing this switch is going to power the motors. Because in the time that I've had this tractor, the motors have never worked. Also, the new switch is a little bit bent. This is what happens when you leave parts on your passenger seat. Oh, that's tight. To be fair, all of these are a bloody tight fit. I don't know if it's far enough. Right, if I give this a little turn, we have nothing. No, I was hoping it would do something.